y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today is going to be a little bit different kind of haul. Usually I show you a whole bunch of products in different clips over the whole month, but this is all I have for the month of March. This is not a bad thing though. That's why I wanted to keep filming this video instead of just skipping it or keeping this stuff for the next haul. This is what I ordered. And this is what I got. This is all I needed. And so this is it. So we're going to go through these things. I'm really excited for these notepads, and I definitely have some decorative stickers and some sticker kits over here. So let's get into it. As always, I will have the shops linked down in the description below for you to check out if you want to purchase any of these items. So let's start with these notepads first. So I first heard about Ink and Volt on Instagram, of course. It came up as like an ad or a suggested post or something like that. And I was intrigued because I just like the aesthetic of these. And so, of course, they have like planners and all different kinds of things, but I was really drawn to the notepads. So I have 3 here to show you, and I got them all for specific purposes. So this first one is the Reflect notepad, and it is something that I bought specifically for my weekly reflections. Sometimes I just don't want to think that hard about it, and I just want to get it done. And that's where this notepad comes in. I love the Moxie Life reflection questions. I think they're super helpful, but sometimes I'm not in the right mindset and I just want to get it finished so that I can set my goals for the next week. And so what I love about this notepad is that it has these really good, they're not really questions, like prompts. And so the first part is tune in and listen to yourself. So it has some prompts here. I'm feeling great about my body is saying, and I really need to. I really like those questions. I think they will like bring good thoughts to me that I can bring into the next week. And then you have the take inventory section. So it has all of these categories and you rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 5. Where are you right now? And then you have a line to write anything. So I think that this will really help me to get my reflections done and not drag my feet. I also like this part at the bottom that says I am, and then you can check a box or more than one box: off balance, on track, in touch, at my best, enlightened. So I just really like this, and I think it's going to be a helpful thing to add into my goal planning routine. The next one is the house project notepad. And I kind of want to open up one of these and feel the paper. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Oh, the paper is so nice. It's a like ultra smooth paper, very similar to plum paper. So super smooth. It's not thin at all. It's very thick. I really, really love this. I think it's going to be nice to write on. So I got this one specifically for the summertime when I work on most of my house projects. But really any time of the year, this would be nice. I really like the gold foil on that. That's really nice. It's like a matte gold. So the reason I picked this one, because they have so many options on their website, is I like the way that it's set up. So you have the project name, the start and end date, and your budget. Then you've got your materials and services, like what do you need? You've got your description, your cost, so you can stay on budget, because I tend to not stay on budget always. And then the schedule. I really like this. So you go in order of what you want to get done and the date. Well, I'll probably put like the day of the week instead. And then you have a section for notes. And then once you tear it off, you could also use the back for notes as well. I just think this is like straightforward, and it will really help me when I get into those projects this summer. The last one I have here is another daily notepad. I've been doing daily plan with me's for the past couple of months, and I've been really enjoying them. I think y'all have too. And I wanted to try out another option for a daily notepad, and this one I love. This may be my favorite of the ones that I've tried. So I've tried the Moxie Life and the Cultivate What Matters. And then this is the Ink and Volt one, and I just love it. Okay, things that I really like. You got the date up here. You've got I will be. And then you get to pick, instead of like choosing a focus or something like that, then you have your schedule from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. You also have the after hours down here, and you have half-hour lines that are dotted in there. Really like that. You have a list for tasks, and then tomorrow you have a little dot grid section here, and then a place to track your water, and activity. So I just like that everything is already done for you. So whereas the Moxie Life one is like completely open and the Cultivate What Matters one is like more structured, this one's kind of in the middle. And I really enjoy this. I like it a lot and I'm excited to try it out. So expect to see a daily plan with me very soon with this notepad. Let's move on to stickers for this month. So let's start with Saucy Stickers Co. I'm really loving her journaling sheets. They're just so nice and really beautiful. I love her aesthetic. And they're just so pretty. So I got Katie's freebie there, and then this other little freebie. And then I got 2 journaling kits. So this first one is called Honey. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm thinking of using this for my birthday week or like the week before, sometime in May. It's just so pretty. I just love it. And her kits are really functional for me. It's got lots of decorative elements that aren't too big. You've got the paint strips and you've got some things that you can actually use functionally. So love that. The other one is called Bookworm and it's really cute too. I kind of feel like August vibes with this one or like late June. I just think it's really beautiful. And I think this is one of her older ones, but I was just really drawn to it and I think it's so cute. Love that. So that's everything from Saucy Stickers Co. And then let's go to Scribble Prints Co. Now this is just so special and I'm so excited. All right, before we get into the kit, or kits, I should say, I have a little rack here. So let's see what's in there. All right, so we've got a little script sticker here. Whoa. So we've got some scripts, we've got some shopping carts on hollow, and then some pages from a kit. This looks like a fall kit, or possibly Halloween. So I could definitely use these colors. I'm gonna add these to my leftovers little book for sure. Okay, so that's so nice. She does that like all the time now, and I really appreciate that. Okay, then what I actually ordered. So this kit is called Farmer's Market. I was in the need for some more kits for April and May. And so that's what a lot of these are, is I was just trying to fill my kit schedule, which I do have my template linked down below if you want to check that out. So here is the little freebie that came with the kit. This is the mini kit, of course. So we've got some full boxes here. This is just really cute. And like kind of works for spring and summer. It's just like an easy kit. I just really like it. It's adorable. So that one is Farmer's Market. And then I've also got this one, which I love. This is the one that's the special one. I've mentioned it a million times, but I love the show on Apple TV called Ted Lasso. It's just an amazing show, one of my all-time favorites. And Kittenish Jess made this beautiful art. I just love it so much. This is called Believe. I can't wait to use this. I think I'm going to use this for the season premiere week or something like that in the fall. I just love it. The show is just so great. And this just totally embodies it. The colors are perfect. I love the extra boxes. This is her new format, which I really love. It's super fun. I can't wait to use this, but it's going to be a while. Oh, Jamie. She's doing the split washi now, which I don't love, but I don't hate either, so I can make that work. Then we've got this little, I don't know if I got this as a freebie. I think so. Super cute. Little greyhound. Then we've got the extra boxes here. I think I added that on. And the freebie that came with it, which is like themed with the kit. So I'm super excited about this one. And I'm just so appreciative of Scribble Prints Co. for doing this and for Kittenish Jess for doing the art because it's like amazing. Okay, now let's move to Alicia Michelle XO. So I already tore into this because I forgot what I ordered. These are a little bit, well, this first one is a little bit late for me, but I'm going to make it work. So I ordered these like late. So it's my fault. But I'm going to add these to my monthly spread. I think it'll be really cute. This is called Pinch Proof. I think this was like an old sheet that was on sale. Then I got the America one for my July monthly in my plum paper. And then I thought these were beautiful. These are the Oh Honey sheets. So pretty. And I can't wait to make a spread in my plum paper with these sheets. Just so cute. Love that. So that's everything from Alicia Michelle XO. I love her art. Then we've got Lemon and Honey Studio. I love her shop so much. Pam is awesome. So here is the February freebie. And then I got a couple of things added on to my kit here. So I got the full boxes sheet. And then I got the washi and day cover sheet for this kit called Keep Growing. I just thought it was really pretty. I love that. And then I think I forgot to order another sheet, but that's okay. I got the boxes sheet here. I think I can make this work. And the glitter headers. So, because I thought these colors were kind of unique and I wasn't sure if I had anything to match them. So this is the Keep Growing kit. Super cute. I need to go back on my order and see if I totally forgot to order something. She added numbers to her kit. I really like that. Okay, anyway, regardless, I can make it work if I misordered. Okay, next up is Caress Press. These kits are gorgeous. So let's start with this one. This is called Daisy. I think it's so cute. I didn't order this one when it first came out, but then I just kept looking at it and I was like, this is beautiful. I really like it a lot. Like early summer to me. So beautiful. So it's called Daisy. Here are the extra boxes. So pretty. Love that. This is the mini kit. I just love the colors. It's just so beautiful. Those patterns are kind of like 60s inspired. Love the bottom washi. That's so fun. Oh, it's so cute. I just love this kit. And I think I'm going to use it in either May or June. It's just adorable. So that is Daisy. Then, last thing here. I was searching for a birthday kit. And I could not find any birthday kits. And then I just kind of gave up and decided to order a non-birthday kit that would just be special for my birthday week. So this is called Serena and Lily's from Caress Press. And it's so pretty. And it's an older kit, I think. Maybe a couple months old. But I just think it's so pretty. This could even be from last year. I don't know. But it's beautiful. And I got some foil. I'll show that to you in just a minute. So here is the extra box that came with the kit. And then here are the full boxes. Like, these colors are just so up my alley. I love them so much. So beautiful. Oh, the combo is, I really like the contrasts. And the patterns are so pretty. I love that. And the deco is just beautiful. Okay, so I got this kit, and then I was just looking on her site to see like some foil that I could add on just to make it extra special. And I found this little pack here of silver. I was trying to figure out which foil would work best, and I think that silver is going to work. So I got this little 3-page kit. It's the Glimmer kit, I think. So it's got some little dots and tiny little kind of stars, but not quite like overt. Not like crazy stars. And then you've got some bottom washi overlays that I could use. I've got some header overlays, which I will totally use. And then some scripts. You got a weekend banner. These cute little icons. I think those are adorable. You got some numbers built in. And I don't know what... Oh, these are the numbers too, I guess. I don't know what these are, but they're cute. I think that's just so... I think they go on the date covers. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I will figure it out when I get there. But I just think that this will be just special and really pretty for my birthday week in May. So that is everything for this haul. This may be the shortest ever, but I didn't want to skip it. I really wanted to show you like my reality when it comes to purchasing, and this month just happened to be a little bit less, and I'm not mad at it at all. So I hope that you enjoyed this haul. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I will see you next time. Bye!